Usembut mentirang ba ke jela ba Preston Tingsong ne ke sengi ulaong ba ke Sorkar jela kala Shim Khia baha Halor ke Jingjah ke wei ke Khynnah bedang Snem kerta na North Garo Hills. Uba Tingsong ula pentip hapo ke yang darbar tauan bagi buah pulit kila ai jingtip ame gahalia bad Assam belakem ru ye wei brio. Kene ke Khynnah ke dei na opa Raja Simla ha North Garo Hills District bad kelajak rengai ke kap pratarik unaitung. Syuk-syuk utei usembut mentirang ba ula pentikna bagi pulit ke jela Kim Shim na Shong Klikti na ke bentar benuat ya ke ke Khynnah ke belja.
First and foremost, I want to assure this esteemed House and the public that the government is treating this case with the utmost seriousness. From the moment the missing person report was filed, police along with multi-other agencies and the community have been working tirelessly to find the child and uncover the circumstances of her disappearance. Sir, as part of the investigation, several leads have been pursued, including the possibility of outside involvement. The police have also coordinated with Assam Police to verify related inputs, including inquiries with scrap dealers and other potential suspects. One individual has been arrested in connection with this case, while some individuals were examined. No conclusive evidence has yet emerged.